My name is Jose Allen Garcia. I like I'm more into 3D modeling, 3D design, but I still like video and other stuff, graphic, advertisement. And I have not much experience with telestory. It's actually my first time there. I'm trying to actually tutor the whole story set, but I have an idea.
I'm Kevin, and I'm going to be a junior next year. Just editing video and stuff. That's what interests me. So I wanted to get more experience. So I figured this would be the best place since it was like the only place I knew. My favorite movie of all time is Saving Private Ryan. Like anything I've seen after that doesn't compare to it to me. So that's my favorite movie. I started watching like gaming videos, and then I got more into movies, and then music, and then that all involves computers, so I guess that's why I like it. Basically, the biggest thing right now is that I learned like how to get real good like getting the music and the video together. I think that's one thing I really learned well. And then learning more about the transitions, going from one part to the next, and when knowing to use it, and if it looks good without it, kind of. Those are like the two big things that I learned over. I think the biggest challenge was we kept getting stuff done, and then we kept changing something, so then it affected the whole video, and we did that several times, so that was like the biggest thing, but we got through it, so it was really fun. I would say it's not really, it is where I want to be like in my future, but it's more how I want the world around me to be more than have myself. Like if I could have the whole world have peace and love, then that would be my goal in life.
I'm Garen, and I'll be a junior next year. I like math. To me, it's kind of like a language. It's kind of like the universal language to how to use all the programs and editing software and everything, and being able to make films by myself and to show them to my family and possibly in a career.
How to use Final Cut Pro. I really enjoyed that, and learning how to stitch together music and visuals and make it come out so it has a lot of depth to it. I really like that. I chose to do it with 3 sections. What I want myself to be in 10 years, what I want my country to be, and what I want the world to be.
Angeline Rios, everyone calls me Angie though, and I'll be a junior this following fall. Yes, I love art. I've been drawing since I was like little. My favorite area of study would be foreign language because I get to learn more about their culture, and well, as I get to learn about their culture, I also get to learn about their art, and that's kind of what interested me. Well, I wanted to take this course because I thought it was a great way to meet new people. And well, you get to gather around, you get to share all your creativity with other people along who also share that kind of gift with you. So you get to learn their type of art that they do as long as yours, and you put it together and you create this whole new kind of cool thing. Well, throughout this whole 3 weeks, well, not 3 weeks yet, but close to 3 weeks, I've learned how to like get along with others, work both individually and together. And well, I also learned how to edit. Like when I first came here, I didn't know how. I was like, oh, what is this? I don't know how to use Final Cut. But, I got to learn, and now I know how to use it, and I'll use it later in the future for sure. I thought it was exciting and fun to create my own little vision video. Show little people what I see in 10 years, like through my eyes, like what I hope. And like basically in my vision video, what I have is like a bridge, because I think everyone has a bridge to cross. Everyone has to cross. Even if they don't run towards the bridge, they can at least just take a few steps just to catch up to that bridge and cross it. And it's like once you cross the bridge, you enter your world of dreams. So that's how I see it.
and it's the first time tutoring video. Most of the times I tutor graphic designs instead of video. The circle was actually pretty new. And it's interesting because I never experienced, only saw it. Make some humor sometimes it make a connection with the students. Like they feel more confident with you, they feel more open with you. If you're too serious with them, they're gonna be like more close or afraid of you. So it's good to open up to them, so they feel more relief. I would tell them a video of my workers that I did during the summer. A great work. I appreciate their work. They're pretty good, pretty talented kids. Some get like a little bit distracted, but when they work, they work.
Agricultural and Industrial Technology at Hartnell College, the student perspective.
What makes the AIT program here at Hartnell unique is the fact that it's a mixture of agricultural and industrial skills to build on the technical workforce needs and to provide the industry with personnel that is qualified.
My name is Daniel Fernandez and I'm 21. I'm into engineering. I'm taking Engineering 1 and this agriculture industrial operations.
I'm taking the fabrication class and a gas intake class.
I'm just taking welding and fabrication and forklift.
My name's Gary Mashad, and I'm a shop tech here at Coastal Tractor. The technology in automotives really trickles down into heavy equipment. We have transmissions in some of these tractors that are 24-speed automatics, and they're built just like a large-scale automotive transmission. Most of them have 4 to 5 computers.
My name is Jared Abadi, and I'm an engineer here at Valley Fab. Probably the best thing that I like is designing things and making improvements to things that maybe didn't work so well, or they worked great but we can still improve.
My name is Ken Madrid, and I'm a technician here at Coastal Tractor. I like it because it's constantly evolving. Like every year they come out with new tractors, new technology. You're always learning something new. That's what I like about it.
Our students will be educated on a broad basis. They'll know the mechanical aspect, they'll know the machining aspect, they'll know some of the welding, some of the material science, and they'll go out in the industry to be able to contribute to the growth of our county, of our state, and subsequently the nation.
In this class, it helps me move on in life and trying to learn things.
I like the skills that you need to learn in it to have this type of career.
If you like it, you should do it. If you're a hands-on person, you should come and do it.
So if you work at a shop and you have all this under your belt like I do, it's going to be like, why wouldn't you want to hire me,